Have you ever wondered what happens in the animal kingdom when the sun sets and darkness blankets the earth? As day gives way to night, a different world comes alive. This is the realm of the nocturnal creatures, a fascinating array of animals which have, over countless generations, adapted to life in the dark. These creatures call a variety of habitats home. From the rooftops of bustling cities to the silent depths of ancient forests, from the barren expanse of deserts to the lush wetlands, nightfall brings forth a symphony of life. Each creature, whether it's as small as a firefly or as big as an owl, possesses unique adaptations that allow them to not just survive, but to thrive under the cover of darkness. Imagine eyes that can pierce through the night, ears that can catch the faintest rustle, wings that are silent as a whisper. Such are the marvels of nocturnal wildlife. So let's dive into the night and discover these marvels for ourselves. When we think of the night, the first creature that often comes to mind is the owl. A symbol of wisdom in many cultures, owls are a diverse group of birds, with over 200 species found across the globe. From the tiny elf owl, which weighs less than 2 ounces, to the majestic great gray owl, with a wingspan of up to 5 feet, these creatures are as varied as the habitats they inhabit. Owls are renowned for their hunting prowess. Equipped with sharp talons and beaks, they are formidable predators. Their hunting strategies depend largely on their environment. Forest-dwelling species like the spotted owl often perch quietly on high branches, scanning the ground below for prey. In contrast, grassland species such as the short-eared owl are known to glide low over fields, using their keen sense of hearing to detect the rustling of rodents in the grass. And it is the owl's exceptional hearing that truly sets it apart. Their ears are asymmetrically placed, one is higher than the other. This unique arrangement allows them to pinpoint the exact location of sounds with uncanny accuracy. Imagine being able to hear the faintest squeak of a mouse from the top of a tall tree, or the fluttering of wings in the pitch-black night. For owls, this is just a regular Tuesday. Their sight is no less remarkable. An owl's large eyes are packed with rod cells, making them incredibly sensitive to light. This allows them to spot small movements in the dark, even on the darkest nights. And their ability to rotate their heads nearly 360 degrees ensures that nothing escapes their gaze. But these adaptations do more than just make owls excellent hunters. By controlling rodent populations, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. In this way, owls are not just symbols of wisdom, but also guardians of the night. Indeed, owls are a testament to the incredible adaptations nocturnal animals have developed. Their lives are a fascinating dance of stealth, precision, and survival, a dance that continues as the world sleeps under the cover of darkness. Another creature of the night that has mastered life in the dark are bats. These fascinating mammals are the only ones capable of sustained flight, a feat they achieve with their specially adapted wings, which are actually modified arms and hands. But what truly sets bats apart is their remarkable sensory adaptation, echolocation. This technique allows bats to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. They emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects in their environment, and by listening to the echoes, bats can determine the distance, size, and even the texture of the objects around them. It's like seeing with sound, a testament to nature's ingenious adaptations. Bats are not just masters of the night sky for their flight and navigation skills, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Many species are essential pollinators, carrying pollen from flower to flower as they feed on nectar, thus helping to propagate various plants, including some of our favorite fruits like bananas and mangoes. So, the next time you enjoy a fruit salad, you might want to thank these nocturnal pollinators. Moreover, bats are nature's pest control. A single bat can consume thousands of insects in a night, including mosquitoes and many agricultural pests. This natural insect control saves farmers billions of dollars each year and reduces the need for chemical pesticides, contributing to a healthier environment. Despite their importance, bats are often misunderstood and feared, largely due to myths and misinformation. They are, in fact, more threatened by humans than we are by them. Habitat loss, disease, and wind turbines are among the challenges bats face, and many species are now endangered. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these creatures and their habitats. From building bat-friendly structures to researching and combating diseases, these endeavors aim to ensure that bats continue to rule the night sky. Bats truly embody the beauty and complexity of nocturnal life. They serve as a reminder that every creature, no matter how small or misunderstood, plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. While butterflies sleep, their nocturnal counterparts, the moths, take over. As the sun sets, a different kind of butterfly comes to life. Moths, these unsung heroes of the night, are as diverse as they are fascinating. With over 160,000 species known to science, they outnumber butterflies by more than 10 to 1. From the tiny micro-moths to the large and flamboyant Luna moths, their variety is staggering. Moths have made some remarkable adaptations to conquer the night. Their antennae, often feather-like, are sensory powerhouses that can detect scents from miles away. This heightened sense of smell is essential for locating food sources and mates in the dark. Many species also have a keen sense of hearing, with ears finely tuned to the ultrasonic calls of bats, their primary predators. On detecting these calls, the moths perform evasive maneuvers, dropping to the ground or spiraling erratically to throw off their pursuers. But moths are not just about survival, they play a vital role in our ecosystems, particularly as pollinators. As they flit from flower to flower, sipping nectar with their long proboscis, they inadvertently transfer pollen, aiding in the reproduction of plants. Some plants have even evolved to rely solely on moths for pollination, blooming only at night when their services are available. Moths also serve as a food source for a host of other creatures. Birds, bats, spiders, and even other insects rely on them for sustenance. Their caterpillars, too, are a significant source of nourishment for many species. Sadly, like many of our twilight creatures, moths face threats from habitat loss, light pollution, and the changing climate. But through understanding and appreciating their role, we can help protect these important members of our nocturnal community. Moths, often overlooked, play a crucial role in the balance of our ecosystems and are an integral part of the nocturnal world. So, the next time you see a moth fluttering around a light, remember, it's not just a creature of the night, but a vital cog in the wheel of life. The enchanting world of nocturnal wildlife faces various threats, from light pollution to habitat destruction. Just as a blanket of darkness cloaks the world each night, so too are these threats often unseen, shrouded in the mystery of the twilight world. Our nocturnal neighbors depend on the night for survival. It's a world where they thrive, hunt, and raise their young. The darkness is their sanctuary, providing them with the cover they need to live out their secretive lives. Yet, this sanctuary is under threat. Light pollution, a byproduct of our modern society, is eroding the darkness, disorienting creatures of the night and disrupting their delicate ecological balance. Beyond the glow of our cities, habitat loss poses another significant threat. Forests, wetlands, and even desert landscapes, once teeming with twilight life, are being altered or lost entirely due to human activities. These changes can be devastating for nocturnal species, many of which are specially adapted to these environments, and cannot easily find new homes. But there's hope. Conservation efforts across the globe are working tirelessly to protect and preserve the nocturnal world. From the creation of dark sky reserves aimed at reducing light pollution, to the implementation of habitat protection measures, these initiatives are making strides in safeguarding the twilight realm and its inhabitants. Educational programs are also playing a vital role, raising awareness about the importance of nocturnal ecosystems and the threats they face. By fostering understanding and appreciation for these creatures of the night, they are inspiring a new generation of conservationists ready to stand up for the night. The survival of our nocturnal wildlife hinges on our actions. Each one of us can make a difference, whether it's by reducing our light pollution, supporting conservation initiatives, or simply taking the time to appreciate the beauty and intrigue of the night. As we understand and appreciate the nocturnal world more, we can contribute to its preservation for future generations to marvel at. After all, the night is a symphony of life, a testament to nature's adaptability and resilience. Let's ensure its melody continues to echo long into the future. The world of twilight wildlife is a symphony of adaptations and survival strategies. In this enchanting realm, each creature plays its part, from the wise owls with their acute senses and silent flight, to the masterful bats, navigating the night sky with precision and grace. We've witnessed the delicate dance of moths, their patterns and behaviors as diverse as the myriad of species they represent. Across varied habitats, forests, deserts, wetlands, and even urban environments, these twilight species have honed their skills and adaptations to thrive under the cover of darkness. Their survival, however, is threatened by challenges like habitat loss, light pollution, and climate change. It is paramount that we continue conservation efforts to safeguard these nocturnal habitats and their inhabitants. As the sun rises and the nocturnal creatures retreat, remember, the night is a world filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing these mysteries of the Twilight world.